Designs, where we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. In this video, we'll explore the beauty of vertical gardening on walls and provide some tips and ideas for creating your own beautiful vertical garden on walls. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. In today's fast-paced world, it's more important than ever to create a relaxing and inviting atmosphere in our homes. One way to do this is to add greenery to your space. Vertical gardening is a great way to do this, as it allows you to create a lush, green wall that can add color, texture, and life to any room. Vertical gardening on walls is simply the practice of growing plants on vertical surfaces, such as walls, fences, or trellises. This can be done using a variety of methods, including pots, planters, and soil-less growing systems. There are many benefits to choosing vertical gardening on walls, including saving space, adding privacy, improving air quality, creating a relaxing atmosphere, and adding curb appeal. Here are some of the most notable benefits include: first, save space. Vertical gardening is a great way to add greenery to your home without taking up valuable floor space. Second, adds privacy. Vertical gardens can be used to create a natural barrier between your home and your neighbors. Third, improves air quality. Plants help to filter the air and remove pollutants. Fourth, creates a relaxing atmosphere. Greenery has been shown to have a calming effect on people. Fifth, adds curb appeal. A well-maintained vertical garden can make your home look more attractive. There are many great plants for vertical gardening. Here are some of the best plants for vertical gardening on walls, including: 1. Pothos. This is a low-maintenance plant that thrives in a variety of conditions. 2. Spider plant. This plant has long, cascading leaves that make it perfect for hanging baskets. 3. Philodendron. This plant is a vining plant that can grow to a height of 10 feet or more. 4. Ivy. This is a fast-growing plant that can be used to cover walls or fences. 5. Sweet potato vine. This plant has colorful, variegated leaves and produces edible sweet potatoes. There are many ways to decorate your vertical garden to look beautiful. Here are a few tips for how to decorate your vertical gardening on walls to look beautiful. First, choose the right plants. Not all plants are suitable for vertical gardening. Be sure to choose plants that are relatively small and have a low water requirement. Second, use a variety of textures and colors. This will add visual interest to your garden. Third, add accessories. You can add accessories such as planters, sculptures, and lights to your garden to personalize it. Fourth, maintain your garden. Regular pruning and watering will help your garden to thrive. Now, let's explore some creative ways to decorate your vertical garden. Here are the compilation of the top 10 best vertical gardening on walls ideas. 1. The living wall. Create a lush, green wall using a variety of plants, from ferns to succulents. 2. The herb garden. Grow your favorite herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary for fresh cooking. 3. The moss wall. A minimalist approach that adds a touch of serenity. 4. The hanging garden. Utilize hanging planters to create a cascading effect. 5. The pallet garden. Repurpose old pallets to create a rustic and eco-friendly vertical garden. 6. The modular garden. Use modular systems that allow you to customize your garden shape and size. 7. The indoor bonsai garden. A sophisticated option that adds a touch of elegance. 8. The vertical flower garden. Brighten up your space with colorful blooms. 9. The kitchen herb garden. Keep your favorite herbs within reach for easy cooking. 10. The bathroom zen garden. Create a relaxing oasis with low-maintenance plants. Vertical gardening is a fantastic way to bring nature indoors, enhance your living space, and improve your overall well-being. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, you can create a beautiful and functional vertical garden that suits your style and needs. Ready to start your own vertical garden? Subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Let's green up our homes together. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.